Is one of your goals to improve your credit for 2022? If that is the case, I highly recommend downloading the Credit Karma app. This is a great tool to see where your credit score is. It'll give you little bits and pieces of useful information to help improve it. And just know, sometimes you might need a little bit additional help actually cleaning up your credit. And if that's the case, please reach out to me and let me know. I have contacts I can give you who can help you speed that process up by coming alongside you and working to get those derogatory marks off your credit. And there is no shame in the game. If you have made that New Year's resolution to get your credit cleaned up, move forward with it. You will be so happy that you did, either to get you prepared to own a home or just feel good about where your credit score is. So as always, I'm here if you need me. Just reach out or shoot me a message.